Hey guys, today I'll show you how to turn on background downloads on your Telegram using this simple steps. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Now, kindly switch on Auto Download Media. Now, kindly switch on Auto Download Files and Music and increase maximum download size to around 600. Now all your files should auto-download in the background anytime you enter Telegram. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.